can make. 10 kg, 1 nuclear bomb. Explosive bomb, 60% the final step. Time needed, weeks, not years. Experts, major work already complete. The quantity is spread across multiple. Close the towns, the capacity, and Lordo, which may plant. Iran nuclear material capability. Can mix. Around the world, uranium to trade, plutonium. Uranium is closer to nuclear threshold. Nuclear atom numbers tell a story. A weapon. Iran to nuclear bomb. And 12 April 2026, Sunday. Carry metal. It's a natural carry metal. Natural representative spread across multiple secretive sites. Ability bombs can make British uranium stockpile. Where is Iran's uranium stockpile? Underground. Multiple secretive sites. Fantasma enrichment hub, Iran. As far exceed to 2015 deal limits. Reports Iran could reach weapons grade in under a week. Metal but becomes powerful when rich. Radium metal but becomes powerful when rich. Representatives spread across the multiple secretive sites. Bicycle touching representative in Bordeaux enrichment plan. Iran has soon to launch up as far as the 2015 deal limits. Total uranium, 10,000 kilograms, 50 times above limit. Uranium, 7%, 25% power plants, 90% research use, 60% tier weapons grade, 90% nuclear bomb. High enrichment, high demand, higher danger.